Now let us start for today's class. Yesterday we left uh, already started the minimization of the Boolean expressions. Okay, so today we'll solve some problem, and after that I will give some home tasks also. Now it is visible to you. I have made some handwritten notes for you because in this pandemic situation, some of the students not getting their reference books from the library and some other places. So that's why I am giving some written notes for you, so that will be helpful for you. So in these notes, I have written all the processes, all the steps. You just go through once, and today I will summarize. Okay, all the steps. So suppose you are having some Boolean expressions. Okay, any sort of Boolean expression. Now you have to simplify that one. So last day I told you there are so many processes by which you can minimize the Boolean expressions. So first one was they are by some sort of Boolean algebra. Second method was some tabular or graphical explanations. In the graphical explanations or simplification techniques, we found KMAP, Queen McCloskey, all these things. Okay. So the first thing is that we'll today definitely solve some Boolean expressions, minimize some Boolean expressions. So the first rule is that suppose you are having some expression something like that, a into b plus. That means it is in the bracket form. Okay. So there is a parenthesis. Okay. Listen carefully. If there is any sort of parenthesis, you need to remove that one. The first method is that. How to solve that one? See, A into B plus C. So easily you can write AB plus AC in that way. So you have to remove the parenthesis. The second is, suppose some term is repeatedly present there, then you have to omit that repeated term. How? Suppose in the expression you are having AB plus AB plus AB plus AB. Okay. Or ABC plus ABC plus ABC. So that means you people know that A plus A का मतलब क्या है? A है. So in the like terms, if they are additive in nature, so that means you can remove, you can drop all the terms and you can replace all the terms by a single term. What does it mean? AB plus AB plus AB plus AB. That means full मिलाकर you can write down only AB because there is a formula A plus A plus A plus A plus A is equal to A. So that is the second rule. And the third rule is that suppose if there is some sort of term like this A B B bar or C C bar D D bar, okay, A bar. That means you will know that there is a formula. A bar का मतलब क्या होता है? A bar मतलब क्या होता है? जीरो होता है. If A bar जीरो, कैसे? सपोज A का वैल्यू 1 है, सो A bar का क्या होगा? जीरो होगा. सो A इंटू A bar जीरो हो गया. फिर मान लो A इज इक्वल टू जीरो है, सो A बार A का वैल्यू जीरो, A बार का 1, सो जीरो इंटू 1 अगेन दैट विल गिव यू जीरो वैल्यू. सो इस तरह फॉर्मूला रहेगा B बार or C bar, D bar, any sort of form, then that term must be vanished, or that means that can be dropped. So that's why I see A dot B bar. So we have written here B bar का मतलब क्या है? Zero है. So that's why A dot zero is zero. Now simply here AB into C bar. So again here C bar is equal to 0. So AB dot 0 is equal to 0. So that type of term it comes. So that in that case you have to remove or you have to drop that particular term. And that was the third rule. The fourth rule. Suppose there is a this sort of form. What is that? ABC bar into D bar plus ABC bar. So यहाँ पे क्या है? See ABC bar both side में common है. ABC bar है. So if you find that sort of expression, then you must take ABC bar as common. You have to take that common term outside the parenthesis. So that means A, B, C bar, it is coming out and within bracket, what is the remaining value? Here D bar hai, यहाँ पे क्या है 1 है. Now you got A, B, C bar whole into D bar plus 1. Then there is a formula D bar plus 1. मतलब क्या है? So that should be always 1. D bar plus 1, it should be always 1. So D bar, it may be 0, D bar, it may be 1. Any two value, nothing more than that. So when d bar is 0, so 0 plus 1 is 1. If d bar is 1, so 1 plus 1, again it is 1. So definitely 1 plus d bar, 1 plus a bar, 1 plus b bar, or 1 plus l bar, what will be the value? It gives always unity. So that's why now this whole term comes into that form. ABC bar is equal to ABC bar. ABC bar into 1, so ABC bar. So that term just simplified as ABC bar. So these are the processes by which you can simplify the long Boolean expression or the large Boolean expression. So these are basically manual process. Okay. And the last formula is that suppose there is a expression something like that a b c bar d bar plus a b c bar d. Okay, so in that case you will take a b c bar as common and within bracket it remains d plus d bar, and you will know that d plus d bar का मतलब क्या होगा? It gives always you unity. A plus a bar is equal to always 1. So in that case, that big expression now converts into only ABC bar. So ABC bar. So you have to take all those formula. You have to remind all those formula. Okay, by which you can simplify the Boolean expressions. So the last one I have taken one more example: AB into C plus D plus AB into C plus D whole bar. तो यह क्या है? देखो C प्लस डी है, यहाँ पे C प्लस डी का बार है. सो मान लो A C प्लस डी इज इक्वल टू C प्लस डी इफ इट इज x, सो AB x प्लस AB x बार है कि नहीं? So AB is common both sides. So take AB outside the parenthesis within bracket, within bracket what we have written C plus D. यहाँ पे क्या है? C plus D bar. So you will know that here I have taken the formula D plus D bar का मतलब क्या हुआ? 1 हुआ. A plus A bar का मतलब क्या है? 1 है. What is the meaning of that? Simply here C plus D plus C plus D bar. So मान लो it is some kind of D plus D bar or A plus A bar का है. So that's why A plus A bar, or you can say this is X, this is X bar. So X plus X bar का value कितना होगा? It should be always unity. So now that big expression now merge into AB, only AB. So these are the processes you have to always adopt to minimize or simplify the Boolean expressions. Okay, now we'll take some example. We'll take some numerical problem to solve all those problems. Then we'll have some idea. After that, I will give you some home task or assignment. You solve those problems in your home and you give me the feedback through your Google Classroom. We'll check it and I will give you the feedback again. So that is the process. Now we move to the second page. Here I have given some problem example I have solved here. Now see, reduce the expression. You have to simplify the Boolean expressions. What is the Boolean expression? See carefully. This is A is equal to A within bracket B plus C bar, that is whole into AB plus AC bar whole bar. Getting my point? Is this visible to you? This page is visible to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Now see how to simplify. These are basically we are trying by using some formula. Okay. So last day I told you this process basically has some disadvantage because sometimes we may miss out. When we missed out to solve the problem, so definitely human error will come. So that's why we go for KMAP techniques. Over there, we can minimize the ultimate minimization of the Boolean expression is taking place using the KNF techniques. We'll later come on there. So now see, what will you do? You have to solve this term first. तो ये क्या है? You have to use De Morgan's theorem. AB plus AC whole bar. ये क्या होगा? X A plus B whole bar. ये क्या हो जाते हैं? A bar dot B bar. तो the same way that is converted into this. AB bar हो गया, A plus क्या होगा? Dot हो जाएगा and individual term will getting their complement. So AC bar whole bar हो गया. That is from your De Morgan's theorem. Now you have to simplify this and this. What is the meaning of that? AB bar. So we can write A bar plus B bar. It is simply from your De Morgan's theorem. So A bar plus B bar. ये क्या हो जाएगा? A bar plus C हो जाएगा. C bar का बार होने से क्या होगा? C हो जाएगा. So that's why this term converted into A bar plus C. If you have any doubt, you can ask me the question. Now A is outside. Now it is B is C bar. Now you multiply these terms with this term. This term with this term. So ultimately we are getting this A bar plus A bar C, B bar A bar plus B bar C. So after multiplication these two factors, we are getting these results. Okay, these are the results. Now see, if you will know that A bar dot A bar. Okay, A bar dot A bar. ये क्या हो जाएगा? A bar dot A bar हो जाएगा. We know that if it is repetitive, that means it will be replaced by the single bar. So A bar dot A bar, मान लो यहाँ पे 4-5 A bar है. A bar dot A bar dot A bar dot A bar dot A bar. So we take only one A bar. So that A bar into C bar C bar हो गया. यहाँ पे क्या होगा? A bar C bar C bar. यहाँ पे क्या होगा? A bar B bar C bar A bar B bar C bar. यहाँ से क्या होगा? B bar C bar C bar. Just we simply multiply C bar with all the terms. Now we get this expression. Now see, I have told you some formula, or I have given you 4 or 5 methods. You have to adopt all those methods to simplify this Boolean expression. Over there you can find out C bar. You can find out there C bar. What is the value of C bar? Anybody can give me the answer? C bar का मतलब क्या है? Zero हो जाएगा. C bar again यहाँ पे 0 हो जाएगा. So ultimately we are getting यहाँ पे AB, then ये क्या होगा? A bar C bar, यहाँ पे 0 हो गया. यहाँ पे क्या होगा? Again A bar B bar C bar, A bar B bar C bar, यहाँ पे ये क्या हो गया? 0 हो गया. Okay. So now see, this is AB. A bar again it is 0. This is 0 खत्म हो गया. A bar again 0. So ultimately we got AB. This is the way of getting the simplified Boolean expressions. Okay. Now later we'll see how to solve this expression using KMF. Later will come. These are the some techniques, simplified techniques. You can adopt those things. Now the second problem. Again, A plus B whole into AC plus B plus C bar into D. Now simply you have to multiply D with that bracket. You have to remove the parenthesis first. So AC is there, B into D BD, C bar into D, C bar D हो गया. Now you multiply D with all the terms, all the 3 terms. So A is there plus B ABC is there. Now BBD is there. Now BC bar D is there. Simply multiplying both all the terms with the B, and we are getting this expression. Now what we get? A. Now this is ABC. Now BBD. So BB क्या हो जाएगा? B हो जाएगा. Single B. We take only the single B. So BD is there. So BD is there. You drop one B here and B C bar D here. Now take A is common here. From these two, we take A common here. So 1 plus BC is there. Again, from these two expressions, we can BD is common, so we will take BD is outside, and we got 1 plus C bar. And I have written over there to make you understand 1 plus C bar is equal to 1. As we know that 1 plus C bar is equal to 1, so 1 plus C bar is equal to there. So BD is come here. BD is there. Now 1 plus BC, we can write down. distributive law, 1 plus BC. So we can write 1 plus B into 1 plus C. That is also one formula. If you will remember that. If you will remember in your mind. If it is A plus BC, so formula will be A plus B whole into A plus C. So that is some kind of that. 1 plus BC मतलब क्या होगा 1 plus B into 1 plus C हो जाएगा. So 1 plus B का मतलब क्या है 1 है. 1 plus C का मतलब क्या है that is also 1. So that's why we have written over there A into 1 plus BC कुल मिलाकर क्या हुआ 1 हुआ. So A into 1 is A, and ultimately we are getting BD here. So A plus BD is the simplified expression for you. That is the final solution for problem 2. In that way you have to solve all the problems. Okay, these are very simple one. Question may come in your examination also, but in that way you have to solve all these problems. Now the third one, see, this is A plus B bar C whole bar, and that is A B bar plus ABC. So that you have to simplify first. तो क्या है A बार डॉट B बार BC बार बार है उसका बार हो गया, इसलिए क्या हो जाएगा ये BC हो जाएगा. डबल बार होने से उस वेरिएबल विल कम at its original form. So A bar BC हो गया यहाँ पे, A B bar plus A BC यहाँ पे है. Now we'll multiply all the terms. Okay. Now we multiply all the terms. Now we'll go for simplification processes. Now see, now you multiply both sides. See here. लोग आ रहा है. So you multiply this term with that. Okay. So A bar BC. So A B bar है. So A bar 0 हो जाएगा. करेक्ट. A bar BC यहाँ पे A B C है. So क्या हो जाएगा A बार आ गया. So इसलिए both the term will vanish. समझ गया ना. So ultimately the expression will be 0. Answer will be 0. For both the terms we are getting 0 values because यहाँ पर A है यहाँ पर A बार है. So A बार 0 हो जाएगा. यहाँ पे A है A बार है. So A बार. So ultimately the problem 3 the solution will be 0. Now we'll go for C. यहाँ पे I have solved किया है 0 हो गया. Now it's a larger one. B plus BC, B plus B bar C, B plus D. So first you multiply these two. You have to avoid the parentheses as the formula we got there. So simply multiplying these two, and we are getting 4 terms. 2 into 2. So we will get the 4 terms. 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 terms comes. Now see, यहाँ पे क्या है? BB है. So BB क्या हो जाएगा? Single B हो जाएगा. B B bar है. So ultimately 0 will be there. Now BBC, so BC हो जाएगा. Again C B B bar है यहाँ पे, so that will be 0. Ultimately B plus D is there. So ultimately what we get here? B plus BC. We got B plus BC. So again B we can take common. So you have taken B as common. So inside the parenthesis we are getting only 1 plus C is there. Ultimately B plus D it remains unchanged. So 1 plus C का मतलब क्या है? 1 plus C is always 1. So ultimately B is there. So B into B plus D. B into B plus D. So that's why we will written there BB plus BD. So ultimately BD का क्या हो जाएगा? B हो जाएगा. So B plus BD. Now you will take B common. So 1 plus D. So 1 plus D का वैल्यू कितना होगा? 1 हो जाएगा. So 1 plus D का वैल्यू 1 हो जाएगा. So ultimately we are getting the final value B. So problem 4 we are getting a solution only, that is large one. So we are getting only the solution, that is B. So thing is that every time we are using some formula, that formula you have to remember, otherwise this is difficult for you. Mute yourself.
तो बुलाएगी जो बेटा तो पानी का निकला मोटर खराब हो
Remove that one. Don't do this again. So now problem 5. Okay. यहाँ पे क्या है, देखो लेफ्ट हैंड है राइट हैंड है, यू टू प्रूव दिस वन. ओके, लेफ्ट हैंड में क्या है, ए बी प्लस ए बी बार सी प्लस बी सी बार है, राइट साइड में क्या है, ए सी प्लस बी सी बार है. सो यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट सो दैट लेफ्ट हैंड इज इक्वल टू राइट हैंड साइड. ओके, so now you take left hand side, it's a bigger one. Okay, so that's why you have taken ab plus ab bar c plus bc bar. Okay, now what is the first step, you take a as common. So within the bracket what we have, b plus b bar c, इधर क्या है, b c bar है. Now you can write down that formula. I told you earlier a plus bc होगा तो क्या होगा, suppose a plus bc, so that will be written as a plus b into a plus c. Okay, that is the formula. So using that formula we can write this, simplify this expression as b plus b bar into b plus c, b plus c. Okay, now it is remain unchanged, b c bar is there. Now you know that b b bar का मतलब क्या है, 1 है, so that's why it is 1. Now we get a into b plus c. Ultimately b c bar is there. So now you multiply a with b plus c, we get ab plus ac bc bar. Now you take ab common. So sorry, ab you take c plus c bar, because you will know that c plus c bar का मतलब क्या है, 1 है, c plus c bar का मतलब क्या है, 1 है. So इसलिए ab into c plus c bar. So ये क्या हो गया, abc plus abc bar, abc plus abc bar. यहाँ पे क्या है, ac है plus bc bar है, that those are unchanged. Now I have written star mark, that and that, this and that will be combined together, abc with ac. So you take ac common, so ultimately what is the remaining value, यहाँ पे क्या है ac, तो यहाँ पे b है, यहाँ पे क्या है 1 है, so ac into 1 plus b. नाउ यहाँ पे क्या लोगे, बी सी बार, बी सी बार होने से क्या होगा, a है इधर, यहाँ पे क्या है 1 है, so a plus 1 हो गया. Now you people, everybody knows that a 1 plus b is equal to 1 and 1 plus a is equal to 1. So 1 into 1 1 1 हो गया, so ac plus bc bar हो गया. So ultimately that is equal to right hand side. So that is proved. So these are the problems. Okay. Now have you any doubt?
सर क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट निकालिएगा सर, प्रॉब्लम नंबर फर्स्ट.
Problem number first.
यस सर.
ये
यस सर, इसको क्लोज कीजिए सर.
ये वाला,
हाँ सर, थोड़ा डाउन कीजिए.
ये प्रॉब्लम नंबर 1 है, ये प्रॉब्लम नंबर 2 है.
ठीक है सर, ठीक है.
तो कौन सा बोल रहे हैं, प्रॉब्लम 1?
नहीं नहीं, हो गया, डाउट क्लियर हो गया सर. मतलब हम डायरेक्ट, मतलब यहाँ 0 0 लिख दिए, मतलब ये सब दोनों भी 0 होता तो डायरेक्ट में.
अच्छा अच्छा, ठीक है, कोई बात
ठीक है सर, डाउट क्लियर.
नहीं.
और सर क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 में एक
हाँ.
जगह पे लिखे हैं a प्लस बी सी लिखे हैं.
अच्छा अच्छा,
वहाँ पे उसका वैल्यू लिखे हैं 1 प्लस बी इंटू 1
हाँ,
प्लस सी.
हाँ,
वो
हाँ.
कैसे आया सर?
ये फॉर्मूला है बाबू, ये जो 1 प्लस बी सी है ना,
हाँ सर.
ये लिखोगे तुम 1 प्लस बी इंटू 1 प्लस, ये डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव फॉर्मूला है. ठीक है, ए प्लस मिली यहाँ पे, मान लो ए प्लस बी सी है, ये दैट भी दैट इक्वल टू, यू कैन राइट ए प्लस बी इंटू ए प्लस सी. ठीक है, ये फॉर्मूला है. ठीक है, तो लास्ट क्लास में वो लिस्ट में दिया था ना तुमको, बहुत सारा फॉर्मूला था।
हाँ यस सर यस सर।
हाँ हाँ, वहाँ
ठीक
पे
है
है सिंप्लीफिकेशन फॉर्मूला है ये, वो तुमको दिमाग में रखना होगा। हाँ, फ्यू प्रॉब्लम प्रैक्टिस करोगे तो आपसे आप दिमाग में आ जाएगा। मान लो यहाँ पे a प्लस बी डी है, तो वो फॉर्मूला उससे क्या होगा, ए प्लस बी इंटू ए प्लस डी हो जाएगा, समथिंग लाइक दैट। So already in our last class we have started short form, canonical form, isn't? Sum of product form, standard short form. Okay. So today just I simply repeat all those things and move fast. As I mentioned in your earlier classes, sum of product term. This form is also called disjunctive normal form, DNF. You remember all these terms. Exam में DNF लिख के भी क्वेश्चन आ सकता है, लेकिन ये कुछ भी नहीं है, ये सिंपल सॉफ्ट फॉर्म है। सम ऑफ प्रोडक्ट की बात कर रहे हैं, तो सम ऑफ प्रोडक्ट ऑलरेडी वी हैव स्टडीड इन आवर लास्ट क्लास में। एफ ऑफ एबीसी, यहाँ पे क्या होता है, यहाँ पे वेरिएबल लिख जाते हैं। एबीसी का मतलब है फ्रॉम दिस एक्सप्रेशन वी कैन have idea about the number of variables. So 3 variables are there, those are ABC. Now यहाँ पे क्या है, a bar b है plus b bar c. This type of term is called basically sum of product. क्योंकि individual product term है, ultimately they are getting added. So that's why they are called sum of product terms. Okay. Now in the second case, see here, this is just simply the opposite of the swap, that is called POS, product of sum. यहाँ पे प्रोडक्ट हो रहा है कौन, किसका ना, साम वैल्यूज। यहाँ पे ये क्या है, ए बार प्लस बी बार, ये क्या है, साम है। बी प्लस सी इधर भी साम है, पहले साम फिर उसके बाद मल्टीप्लिकेशन। यहाँ पे क्या था, फर्स्ट प्रोडक्ट था, उसके बाद एडिशन हुआ था, दैट्स व्हाई दिस इज कॉल्ड सम ऑफ प्रोडक्ट। यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, प्रोडक्ट हो रहा है, उसके सम हो रहा है, उसके बाद प्रोडक्ट हो रहा है, so that's why this is called product of sum. इसका प्रोडक्ट हो रहा है sums का, so that's why these are two sum term and ultimately they are multiplied. बोलो, कोई कुछ बोल रहे थे, बोलो।
Sir, can you elaborate the sum of product?
Elaborate.
Yes, sir. Because I am not present in a previous class.
Oh, now we will go for detailed class. Okay. Now for the timing, you just simply remember these are called sum of product term. कैसे, ये जो है a bar dot b, ये तो प्रोडक्ट टर्म है ना, सिंपली प्रोडक्ट है, ए बी का, ए बार एंड बी का प्रोडक्ट है, इसलिए प्रोडक्ट टर्म है। यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, बी बार एंड सी का प्रोडक्ट हो रहा है, यहाँ पे ए बार बी का एंड, यहाँ पे बी बार सी का एंड हो रहा है। उसके बाद देयर इज एन एडिशन प्रोसेस। सो देखो यहाँ पे क्या लिखा है, सम ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स, मतलब क्या है, प्रोडक्ट का all the product terms are added, so that's why they are called sum of product terms, that is called SOP. And one of the name of that SOP is disjunctive normal form, DNF. यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, प्रोडक्ट ऑफ सम्स, जस्ट द ऑपोजिट ऑफ द SOP। यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, प्रोडक्ट ऑफ सम्स, पहले सम उसके बाद प्रोडक्ट। सो ए बार प्लस बी बार सम हो गया, बी प्लस सी का सम हो गया, उसके बाद प्रोडक्ट हो गया। सो दीज आर कॉल्ड कंजक्टिव नॉर्मल फॉर्म, CNF. So DNF means sum of product, CNF means product of sum. So we'll go for detailing later on. Immediate next. Now see, we'll take ट्रुथ टेबल फॉर्म। ओके, ट्रुथ टेबल फॉर्म इसका ये जो फॉर्मूला है ए बार बी प्लस बी बार सी का ट्रुथ टेबल फॉर्म हम लोग लेते हैं। तो यहाँ पे क्या है, डेसिमल कोड 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7। Now you may have one question, why it is sir 8? Why we are writing 0 to 7 8? 8 combination, why it is 8 combinations? Because the formula is, the function is having three variables,
Three component.
three variables basically. So
Okay,
as three
right.
variables are there, so how many combinations should be there? 2 to the power 3. मान लो यहाँ पे a b c d होता,
8
then 4 वेरिएबल्स है, so 2 to the power 4 16 कॉम्बिनेशंस होता, ठीक है। बट यहाँ पे 3 वेरिएबल्स है, सो कॉम्बिनेशंस होगा 8 0 to 7 तक, इसलिए 0 to 7 हम लोग यहाँ पे लिखे हैं। वेरिएबल कौन सा है, ए बी है सी है, सो हम कैसे स्टार्ट करेंगे 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 0, इस तरफ हम 1 1 1 तक जाएंगे। तो 0 0 से 0 हो जाएगा, एक को एबीसी 0 हो जाएगा, ये जो वैल्यू है इसका वैल्यू 0 0 0 होगा, तो ये 0 हो जाएगा। यू कैन चेक इट, आई हैव चेक्ड इट ऑलरेडी एंड दैट्स व्हाई आई हैव रिटन अबाउट दैट। सो 0 0 1 में 1 होगा, 0 दिस कॉम्बिनेशन भी 1 होगा, 3 में भी 1 होगा, 4 में 0 होगा, 5 में 1 होगा, 6 और 7 में 0 होगा, ठीक है। ये क्या होगा, ये फंक्शन का वैल्यू 0 हो गया। सो कहाँ कहाँ 0 हो गया, 0 में, फिर भी 4 में, फिर भी 6 में एंड अल्टीमेटली 7 में 0 हो गया। और ये जो टर्म मिला हम लोग आउटपुट मिला 0 1 कॉम्बिनेशन में ही होगा, उसके बाद कुछ नहीं होगा, बिकॉज ऑल आर हियर राइटिंग इन द फॉर्म ऑफ बाइनरी। बाइनरी का मतलब क्या है, 2 है, दैट इज 0 एंड 1, बेस इज 2 है, तो इसलिए 0 एंड 1 है। डेसिमल का बेस कितना है, 10 है, 0 से 9 तक होगा। ऑक्टल में बेस कितना है, 8 है, 0 से 7 तक होगा। हेक्साडेसिमल में बेस कितना है, 16 है, तो 0 से 15 तक होगा। तो इसलिए हम क्रॉस लिखे हैं, जो वैल्यूज 0 है उसको हम क्रॉस लिखे हैं, क्रॉस्ड, दैट इज आल्सो क्रॉस्ड, दिस आल्सो क्रॉस्ड, दे आर नॉट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट एट ऑल। सो यहाँ पे M1 लिख दिया, देखो द फर्स्ट दिस M0 M1 करके है M7 तक लिखा हूँ, ठीक है। नाउ दिस इज द एक्टिव एलिमेंट M1, M2 is also active because they are getting high value, M3 that is also active, M5 also active and all are zeros. So M1 हम कैसे लिखेंगे, देखो 1, so यहाँ पे क्या लिखेंगे हम, ए बार बी बार 1 आने से क्या लिखेंगे हम, ए बार बी बार सी, इसलिए ए बार बी बार सी। M2 क्या लिखेंगे हम, ए बार बी सी बार, सो ए बार बी सी बार। ना M3 0 1 1 क्या लिखेंगे हम, ए 0 है, 0 का हम ए बार लिखेंगे, सो ए बार बी सी, ए बार बी सी। M5